Arsenal director Edu Gaspar is reportedly set to leave the club. According to journalist Sami Mokbel, the Brazilian has played a crucial role in the Gunners' ambitious project, working closely with manager Mikel Arteta to rebuild the squad into a competitive force. Since joining Arsenal, Edu has been instrumental in securing key signings and fostering a young, dynamic team culture. His departure marks a significant moment for the club, which has seen a resurgence under his guidance. As Arsenal prepares for this transition, questions arise about the future direction of the club, who will fill the pivotal role left by Edu.